Hi everyone, you welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing, darlings? If today is the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider clicking on the red button, join the full family, and also turn the bell notification so you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you're a return subscriber, thank you very much. If you are also a stopping by, you are welcome to our channel. Please do consider subscribing. Okay, I promise you are not going to regret it. How are you all doing, darlings? I hope you are keeping safe. All right. Okay, in today's video I want to talk on the spiritual benefit of salt bath. you know Salt bath, yes. A lot of us, not a lot, all of us know what salt is all about. Salt is a substance that we use in our kitchen. It's something that we cannot deal with once they come to our cooking, because you need salt to make things tasting and to bring the taste of your food, and that is how it stands spiritually. Okay, now if you are facing difficulties in life, if you are experiencing rising and falling, delay, setback, a lot of negative things, you can apply salt to neutralize it. Yes, it's highly spiritual because of its taste. Let's assume anytime you want to use salt bath, you use the salt bath to bath or to bathe, adding it to your bathing water. You just pray to whatever you believe on. If you're a Christian, you pray according to your faith. If you're a Muslim, you pray according to your faith. You just add salt to your bucket and use it to bath. Okay, and not only that, you can make it as a habit to be using salt regular basis in your life, even in your children, in your family. These are the salts we use in our kitchen. I'm talking about our cooking salt. So you see, it is not going to cost you much for you to get it, because we always have it in our kitchen, and so should you, or you can use it to make your life to be very tasty. Maybe if you are into business and that business is not working, you put money and it's drying down, and you go to your shop, you don't make sales, or nothing good is happening in that business. Believe me, engage yourself in salt bath. Try to bath with salt at least 7 days in a month. Yes, it brings text. I'm not joking. And don't forget to pray whenever you want to use all those things. If you are into business, let me tell you what you do. If your business is not going, customers are not coming, and nothing good is working, just get a handful of salt. Come at the entrance of your shop. Yes, you just open small place there. Pour enough quantity of salt there. Try this recipe and you are coming back to say thank you. You pour enough quantity of salt in the front of that your business premises, and you cover it, and you said anything that I've done in that place that is chasing your customers away, that you are using that salt to neutralize them. And also, as that salt is tasty, let this business become tasty, become sweet. Let customers come from any part of the world. You pray and you leave it there. Let me tell you, like in First King, yes, I think, when there was a barren water, there was a bitterness and all that, Elijah said, give me salt. And the salt was given to him. He prayed and poured it inside the water. And the water that was causing barrenness, that was causing bitterness, becomes sweet. So this is how salt is significant in our life. We can use salt to make things to work for us. If you have a stubborn child, like seriously, you can use salt. What matters is your weight, what you attach, the value you attach to it. You pray with it, add it to your daughter's or your child bathing water, use it to bath that child for 7 days. You are going to see a lot of changes. If you are into office working, if you are looking for husband, if you are looking for contract, if you are looking for anything good in life, you can always engage yourself in bathing with salt. It's very spiritual, and it's very effective. It's going to turn things to be working positively into your life. If you are the type you don't always get favor, you can embark yourself or engage yourself in salt bath. You can see how doors will open. You can see how, like, I had a testimony because I did this video about months ago, and the lady said, I think I shared the testimony here, that after seeing the video and she engaged herself into the bathing with salt, that all the places she submitted her CV that they didn't call her, they started calling her, of which that she's the one that choose the one that she wants to, the company that she wants to work. So these are the things we are neglecting, but it's very, very spiritual and helpful to our life. There is something that you should be praying for years is not working. It just required you to do just common simple thing for you to get an answer. The problem we are having is that we are not understanding it, and some people are thinking that all these things is diabolical. It's not a diabolical, it's just a natural thing that God created. God said that he has created all these things for us to use it, but not for us to bow before them. Use it, but don't bow before them. So when you are using it, that's why I told you, whenever you want to use it, you use it to pray, and you will see an answer instantly, immediately. I am not joking. I was a party to that before, until I understand the mysteries. I put it into practice, and it has been an amazing journey. So that is why I am sharing it also for you that is watching me, for you that belongs to this family, so that you will also share your testimony, so that things will start working for you. My desire and my prayer is that it shall be well with all of us. So please try to engage yourself, your family, and everything about you in such baths, and you are going to see some positive changes. Thank you very much, my beautiful family. I wish to share this. I know somebody will find this video helpful. So if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.